So how do you change the Google Assistant to the Bixby Assistant on your phone? Let's get started. So naturally, you have to go through the settings to open up the app, and from the menus, scroll through until you find the apps section. So when you click on the apps, at the top you can see choose default apps. And obviously it's above the list, so just click on this and you'll be able to find the digital assistant app. And essentially just pick the default one which you want to use for this purpose. Right, so when you click on this right again, you can see I have Google currently selected, but I want to switch it to Bixby. So I'm going to click on that and confirm it. And now the default assistant app is Bixby instead of Google. And what that basically does is that whenever you hold down on the home button, the virtual one at the bottom, you can see that it will trigger the assistant. So if you switch it to Google back again and hold down on the home button below, it brings up Gemini and the Google Assistant. And the other way around, of course, if you just switch it to Bixby or even anything else that you can see right here and have available, it's going to choose it to something else. You can also have it like none and have nothing there if you really wanted to. But that's it. Thanks a lot. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss stuff like this, and I'll see you later.